Hi, I'm Bask Iyer, VMware CIO. Welcome. Pretty cool, right? Have a look around and explore how four innovative technologies, cloud, mobile, artificial intelligence, and IoT, the same technologies that are driving new value for businesses, are also driving meaningful change for the greater good. Then join me back here so I can show you how together, in unison, these technologies actually reinforce one another for an even greater, more extraordinary impact.
In some industries, artificial intelligence is already optimizing supply chains and running call centers. But in hospitals, clinics, and research laboratories around the world, AI is saving lives. With AI, we can leverage massive data sets, often stored in a variety of cloud platforms, to gain intelligence and new medical insights never before possible. AI powers predictive analytics and clinical decision support tools, so we're clued into problems earlier and can take action before it's too late. And real-time wearables provide more accurate, comprehensive insight into patient health for better disease management and compliance. AI is also enabling next-generation radiology tools for more accurate imaging. As it evolves, we may eventually be able to generate images so detailed that they replace the need for tissue samples entirely. And artificial intelligence also helps our bottom line. Algorithms can optimize the design of clinical trials, so we save time by eliminating unnecessary testing criteria. Less time on R&D means we can bring new solutions to market faster than ever.
The Internet of Things is here in a big way. Practically everything around us is smart now, from our phones and cars to our homes and even entire smart cities like this. In a smart city, IoT devices process data at the edge and aggregate it in the cloud, so we can process big data sets in real time. Smart cities provide a better quality of life. With optimized traffic flow, smart parking, and even smart waste management, living and working in the city is easier and cleaner than ever. From the environment to our tax dollars, infrastructure upgrades can make a real difference for generations to come. Just like we turn off the light when we leave a room, citywide smart lighting can add up to millions in savings every year. And of course, smart cities are safe cities. Real-time information means we can warn people about possible danger sooner, make critical decisions faster, and protect our citizens better if something goes wrong.
Welcome to the cloud. Now, this is not just another business story about big data and doing more with less. Well, in a way it is, but really, this is about people. It's about hunger. This is about stopping food waste at the source. In the United States, almost half the food we produce is wasted. Yet tens of millions of Americans, including children, struggle with hunger. But thanks to increasingly innovative cloud technology, there's now more hope than ever. Using a public cloud service, operations are centralized, connected, and automated. Fresh food expires quickly, so we can't afford downtime. A cloud-based service means we can manage operations remotely and efficiently, and keep the supply chain up and running 24/7. Our management tools provide centralized visibility across all our operations, both on-prem and in the cloud, so we can reroute food shipments in real time, ensuring that food banks always have the right mix of nutritious foods in stock. And using innovative cloud technologies helps us bring down costs and streamline operations, so we can divert money from unnecessary infrastructure and feed even more people.
Hello, and welcome to East Africa. Like much of the world, we rely heavily on farming, an industry under increasing pressure from rising populations and uncertain weather patterns. And we know that access to information is the biggest key to success. But like many areas of the world, more than half of East Africans don't have access to the internet. But we do have mobile phones, and we use our phones to connect to the cloud to access critical information and services. Mobile access to information about the latest farming techniques, weather patterns, and market conditions can dramatically increase profitability and crop yields. Our mobile devices also collect financial data that allows us to develop financial profiles, making it easier to qualify for small loans and crop insurance. And the ability to connect with each other across wide areas helps us form collectives and demand better prices for our crops.
Welcome back. Now that you've seen a bit about what these four technologies can do separately, let's see what they can do when they are used together. Let's start by talking about the elephant in the room. Unfortunately, the statistics around these creatures are sobering. What can a software company do? Well, that's where these four technologies used together can really make a difference. Park rangers can now use mobile devices to gather data on poaching activity. Now imagine the data got sent to the cloud for analysis. There, AI can predict where the poachers are likely to strike next. And then using drones linked to AI systems that compare live images to a database, we can now quickly detect humans in animal parks. And if that fails, IoT sensors can determine where a fence is cut, while smart cameras improve surveillance. Automated park systems use the same mobile devices to alert the rangers that poachers are nearby so they can be stopped. So these beautiful creatures can continue to live and thrive in their native habitat. Pretty amazing, right? Together we can have an opportunity to impact humanity in ways we never imagined. When leveraged together, these technologies allow you to build new value, deliver better customer experiences, and make an impact of your own for the larger good. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and I look forward to seeing what we can accomplish next using tech for good.